Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a red eyeliner with a golden touch. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have a challenge for you: 100 days of daily makeup videos. But I can't complete this challenge without your support. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. As always, start by cleaning your face and applying face powder. Next, shape your eyebrows nicely. Contour your nose for added definition. Now, use transparent tape on the outer corner of your eyes. Apply red eyeshadow under your eyes and blend it well. Apply dark maroon eyeshadow to create a light-handed eyeliner look. You can also create a cat eyeliner. Now create a line using a golden shimmer liquid eyeliner over the red maroon eyeshadow. Apply red eyeshadow under your eyes and blend it well. Apply black eyeshadow and blend it nicely. Now, it's time for my favorite part: applying eyelashes. Highlight your eyebrow bone and the tip of your nose. If you haven't seen my previous videos, you can check out my channel. If you liked any of the eye makeup looks, you can DM me on Instagram. You can find more information on the screen and in the description box. Inshallah, I will complete the 100 video upload challenge. Finally, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.